So hey y'all. So we putting this QVR hair to the test. Real life. From a stylist and a client environment.
But I was thinking I have a lot of, things, and I thought, I don't know if 3 is gonna work. So I just got two sets of 3 because I wasn't sure how it was gonna, I've never worked with that type of hair before.
It feels good.
It does. It feels soft. It does feel soft.
So I'm gonna put in there the hair that she received, and just like all the pictures and everything, you see that thin thread, and this is the machine made, right?
Yeah, right.
She got the machine made, but I'll put in there specifically what she ordered, and I'll show the diagram where they show machine made and handmade, and I don't know what the difference is actually. Both my customer and I have another customer told me about this hair, QVR. I researched, and the company been around a long time when it comes to human hair and all the traditional weave type hair and the bulk hair and all that. But then they came out with this. I saw it as I see it listed as something loop. I think it was like human hair, a crochet micro loop. That's what I saw. But I think that term is used in different ways, so you really got to know what you're ordering. I'll insert some other information as I go along about the terminology I'm hearing. Micro links, micro loops, right? And I've been researching, and I have a playlist of the research, pros and cons, and things that I'm hearing from influencers. So, as long as I've been doing hair, 10 years now, I've been aware of human hair crochet, more bulk hair. Then there's a company called Saga, S-A-G-A, and they came out with crochet hair. All these companies promote being able to reuse the hair. See, the hair thing, this is what I'm a licensed natural stylist in North Carolina. North Carolina requires you to be licensed. Not everybody's licensed, we know that. But I choose to be. And my client's been with me, oh my gosh, how long?
Years.
She's been with me for years. I'll put down there somewhere. I have to look in the history. So a client told me about this QVR hair. They got all kinds of hair, all kinds of lengths, whatever. And I was like, wow, here's another human hair manufacturer. However, the last one that I used was Saga, S-A-G-A. And they came out with hair, human hair like that, and there was a thick band. This is thin thread, but it was a thick band. They had 2 different types, a thick band with human hair on both sides, and then they would have one that was a band, and then it was just one strand, but it was a thick band. And yes, YouTube, a lot of people show what they're doing on YouTube, and it's a 15-minute video, 10-minute video, as if it's really easy. I ain't gonna say no more about that. Everybody's texture is different. Everybody's technique's different. I learned everything I know mostly from YouTube University, because when I got my license, there wasn't even any schools in place. So that should tell you a lot. And every state doesn't require you to have a license to do natural hair. And it should. Hate to say it, y'all. Some of y'all gonna not like this. I would say anyone that's in a state that isn't licensed for natural hair, the benefit is this: get the book from Milady and study it, because within it, it's not about the techniques, baby. It is about learning about anatomy, physiology, and skin and scalp disorders. Because the majority of the licensing questions in the test is about sanitation. That's a side note. Y'all go do what you got to do. But I seek out continuing education since I've been licensed for 10 years. Now we got this hair. All right. What we want to know is, as we install, I'm gonna install this head, and this client's I'm gonna touch base with her in 2 weeks, 3 weeks. We're gonna see. We don't know, and then we're gonna look to see how you take it out, how well it does taking it out of her hair, and then can we really use it again? See, because the big selling points, it looks all pretty and cute and all that, but I ain't seen a whole lot. I ain't seen nobody show 2 weeks after, 3 weeks after, and that their ability. I'm not knocking, I'm just saying, if you're going to market a thing, and we really want to invest one time, that would be wonderful. It would be great to invest one time, right? Compared to the number of times every 6 to 8 weeks that you have to go and get synthetic hair, right? And the quality of it. If we're going to promote it, then we need to see it. Tell me, how long did it take to get this particular one, the hand?
I ordered it on September 17th and I received it on September 30th.
Okay, that's 2 weeks. Is it?
And they actually did. I emailed them when I saw it didn't ship in 3 to 5 days, like they said.
Oh, wait a minute.
They do say it ships in 3 to 5 days, but they don't say when they're going to ship it.
I know.
And so when I saw that it wasn't shipping yet, I sent them an email and I told them how long it's going to take to get my order. And they told me, we're working on it. We're halfway through and we'll be getting it out to you soon. So they did stay in touch with me about that. They did reached out 2 or 3 times after that and told me the status of my order.
Okay. Your needs, when you go look for what you want to order, down below, I believe there's a standard statements. That's a little different than what we're used to seeing in U.S. based. Not knocking, but I'm not an influencer. My YouTube here, my IG is for my clients mostly, and for especially the YouTube. I house my playlist in a way that I can promote to my clients. Here's the different services and reviews that you can real life from a stylist and a client environment. So we're gonna do this, and I'm looking forward to the journey. I really am. I would like for it to deliver exactly everything it said, because you're a one-time investment and you can use it over and over again until the wheels fall off, right? Mm-hmm. She got a special too. And she went ahead and doubled up. That's all. This here, as much as I was installing it, actually I think I have a picture of you from an install of synthetic with this pattern, right? Mm-hmm. But go ahead and say, we were talking about how it feels.
It's really soft against my skin.
I mean, she was up here separating. This is what's left. We opened 3 packs, and this is what's left. I do want to do a little bit more back here, and I wanted to ask you about how you felt about the part area, because I was talking about definitely closing up. Tell us what you did to prepare the head when you received it in.
First I put it in apple cider vinegar and water to get the chemical smell out, and then
was there a smell to it?
Yeah, it's a chemical smell.
Okay.
And so then I washed it without removing the net. I kept the net on to keep the hair from
Yeah.
getting
Show them
tangled.
one package so we can tell about what you were speaking about.
Yeah.
Would you take the net off the next time?
I won't. I like it. I like how it came out with the net, and I washed it with it comes with a net, and I washed it with the net on it.
And when you say you
And I
washed it,
conditioned
you
it.
took a basin and set it down in it, or what?
Yeah, I had a sink that I stopped the water in, and I kind of took, just scrubbed it a little bit.
Squeeze it,
Squeezed it, and then put it down in the water and rinsed it, and then rinsed it off with faucet stream.
Right.
And then I conditioned it the same way.
You condition it the same way.
And
Squeeze it out, and then what?
And then actually after I washed it and conditioned it, I folded a towel, placed it on the towel, pressed it down, pressed the water out of it.
Okay.
And then I let it sit. I never removed the cardboard or this metal.
But you could have.
Yeah, I didn't do it because I wanted to try to keep it together because I didn't know how hard it would be to get untangled.
Understand.
So I did keep this on there, and I dried it and everything with that on there. Then I took a diffuser blow dryer and went over it again to get it dry. But I did hang it up overnight with hanger clips.
Right. And it felt a little damp, but it wasn't all that great. And again, this is what Christine chose to do for herself. You could get it, come right out of the pack if that's what you feel like it. But this is her experience of what she chose to do with the hair. I love it. It's very soft. We could wet it and probably put mousse in it. And you think it would expand and then reset it?
They did recommend putting mousse in it.
Oh, wow. Yeah. So this is, because we looked on there of how many strands that come in.
14-inch kinky curly.
Yeah. So I'm going to show a video. Let me see. Let me go around. I'm going to insert what it looks like when ordering on the page. Okay, here's the QVR.com website. Below I have a link where you can get some deals and discounts. Feel free, that's my affiliate link, and I do get a few bucks for sharing this. Would love your support. Okay, so from the main screen there, the hair that Christine ordered is the Feather Human Hair Extension Kinky Curly. She got the 3-pack at 14 inches. We end up only using 2.5 packs. And it had approximately 51 to 53 strands in it. Down below here is the shipping details for this particular type of hair. Install, I would say for me and the client she was able to get her discount. I have a code, but you can get discount and all that. And great communication. She said she experienced great communication. What else? So we're gonna be monitored. She's gonna let me know, and I'll check in a couple of weeks. I'm gonna do a complimentary takedown. Now, with the way that this is constructed, we both agree that, see, the color she got, now the QVR I love. She got 1B, but the QVR has ombre hair and have colored hair. Her hair is black.
It's natural black.
Natural black. And with looping this in my eyes, I'm going to have to give me a magnifying glass because it blends so well into the hair. But if it was colored hair, it'd probably be a little bit different. So this is our first experience with this QVR. We did see that there are other human hair. I don't know what they call it, feather. I've seen it called human hair loop. Some do human hair link, rings. I don't know. There's another company called Coily Q that's called ring. I think it's a human hair ring. Y'all, it's some of these terms are probably used cross board, but this is QVR feather human hair crochet. What's the name of this one?
Machine made.
Machine made. And again, I'll put at the end what she specifically got and a link to it, but I'm loving it. You like it?
I like it.
I like it a whole lot. All right, we'll keep you updated because I intend to do a check-in with her and also a complimentary removal, because what she did was she caught a sale, so she got two packs. I guess one order is 3 packs.
One order is 3 packs.
So she got 2 orders, but she got a great discount.
Yes.
Under 2?
Under $200.
Under 2. She got a great discount. What else I want to say? I would say average install would be 2 hours. Turnaround time and the shipping, 30 days? Or?
Well, I ordered it on September 17th and I received it on September 30th.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Christine. Y'all gonna see us again. Bye. Look at that. It's so beautiful.
It is pretty.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's beautiful. Okay. Move it around. Move your head around a little bit. Yep, and let me see that part. Because I did naturalize the part. What? Ooh. Y'all. Shake it, shake. I mean, yeah, move fast. I'm going to do a slow-mo. Hold on. We about to start something. Go it again. Do it again. Yeah.
It is pretty.
Ooh, wow. All right, Christine.
Thank
Now
you.
let me do it. Hey, just a reminder, use the discount link below. You'll come to the Yazine page and you'll have 2 opportunities to choose to get a discount. Peace and blessings.